Are you still pursuing talks with Russia?
The supply is stable. I mean, it's steady. This whole thing was caused by
Yeah.
the Middle East war and started by the United States and Israel and Iran. It frustrates me talaga kasi we're trying to find solutions for the country caused by not by our country but another country, and now we have to ask permission from that country that caused
Yes.
that problem.
This is Truth on the Line. Hindi naman yung mga gas stations kasi sila yung inaaway din ng mga tao.
Oh, hindi. Alam mo, naiipitin sila. No? I mean, there are some. I mean, in fairness, there are some that have abused the situation, but after we visit and reprimand, they go back naman to how it should be. But naiipitin itong mga gas stations because they're the ones in the front line, no? And most of them are may standard naman yan na patong, let's say, no, in every liter they sell. And actually what happens is they buy it expensive, so tinataasan rin. Kaya lang it's really hard to control, to dictate the price kasi this is this is unregulated. It's beyond our powers. But now with the executive order for energy emergency, a degree of regulation at least we can exercise from now on.
But we can have an accurate assessment of our supply, no? Kumusta yung supply situation natin for especially diesel, gasoline?
Yeah, the supply is stable. I mean, it's steady. Kasi from the start, nung umpisa when the war started, there was enough supply around 40-45 days, but there was just no incoming. Yun yung first na medyo nakakatakot, no? So we met with all the oil companies several times, individually and as a group. And why was there no confirmation of their orders? It was because basically at the start, kasi nobody was selling. They were claiming force majeure, or they just canceled their contracts or didn't honor the contract. So in the end, we came in with PNOC. PNOC started buying by itself or together with the oil companies, and we started talking to the ambassadors. And finally, ngayon steady na siya. We have in-country, incoming, and then pending orders. So namomonitor namin yan every week. And it has been steady at 50 days on average. 50 days doesn't mean that there won't be anything coming after 50 days. It's basically means it's 50 days to replenish what you consume. So lead time natin yan. So far pa naman, orders are trickling in, pumapasok naman. Most of them come in after 10 days of order. Yung mga matagal, yung order ng PNOC, which later, it will come from across the Pacific, it will take about 30 days. So medyo enough naman yung time natin.
Are you still pursuing talks with Russia? I understand meron kayong comment na why do we have to get clearance from the US, Pero kumusta yung
It's just
natin?
frustrating.
Oo nga.
Medyo frustrating lang kasi this whole thing was caused by the Middle East war and started by the United States and Israel and Iran, and it frustrates me talaga kasi we're trying to find solutions for the country caused by not by our country but another country, and now we have to ask permission from that country that caused that problem. But anyway, that's how it is.
Did we get permission from the US?
I think Ambassador Romualdez in the US, our ambassador in the US, is working on it. I don't have any update yet from the DFA, but that's for them. That's their role in this endeavor. No, kami we expressed our interest na ma-open lang siya para at least we have more options, as a source, hindi lang Middle East, kundi we can have Russia, and not just Russia, US, Colombia, and all the others. So they're working on it, and there's been information that they got from us just like yesterday. So I do believe that they will have update naman soon enough.